Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Lempod error code LE73. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in to Lempod. Some users have also shared that even though they're already logged in, the error still appears. According to our research, this error may occur because of a browser-related issue or a temporary glitch in the system. It might also be due to a server-side issue. Now, let's go through the possible fixes for this error. The first thing we suggest is to restart your browser. Once restarted, try logging in again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you're already logged in, then log out from your account and try logging in again. After that, see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then restart your device completely. Once your system is back on, open the browser and try accessing Lempod again, and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try using any other browser. Open Lempod on a different browser and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, then it may be a temporary server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.